Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock your POCO F6 with fingerprint. To add a fingerprint, go to settings and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now make sure your screen lock is enabled and set up. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can set your screen lock to either pattern, pin or password. I have a pattern now. How you saw, I unlocked it with a pattern, but I can set it to, for example, pin. Got it. And now let's enter my new pin password. And now I'll show you how to add a fingerprint. Enter your pin or pattern or password. Got it. And now tap your finger which you want to use to unlock. It's gonna be probably your thumb, and tap on the screen a few times. As you can see, my fingerprint is added. Press on done. And now let's shut my phone and press on lock screen to unlock it. I can either unlock it on screen turned off or turn it on and also unlock it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.